wanted to touch base on what I do if my furniture doesn't sell. When I first started painting my furniture and the business about 10 years ago, actually a little more now, if one of my pieces didn't sell, I'll admit I took it personally because let's face it, if you're an artist of any kind, you put your heart and soul, time and money, sweat and tears into creating one-of-a-kind piece, and we do our best to make something beautiful, and we hope others will see and appreciate the beauty in it as well. When this doesn't happen, it's disappointing. But after 10 plus years of selling furniture online, I've learned it's not personal. There are several factors that come into play on whether a piece sells or not. It could be price point, what's happening in the world, the pandemic, for example, the weather or seasons come into play, supply and demand, location preferences, and this is just to name a few. These are a few factors that can factor in how fast a piece of furniture will sell or in it not selling at all. So if one of my pieces don't sell, I just figure it's time to try something a little different and repaint it. And I actually enjoy doing it. There's no shame in redoing a piece of furniture. I believe the real shame would be to give up on the piece. And I have to admit, it's fun seeing how many different versions a piece of furniture can have. If you follow me over on salvagedinspirations.com for the last few years, you may know it's a Christmas tradition to restyle and make over this washstand. It's had 4 totally different looking makeovers to date, and it's shocking how it transforms with another color and style. I mean, it doesn't even look like the same piece. So here are a few tips if your pieces don't sell. And here's a few ideas maybe to get it out the door. 1, wait for another season and relist it. 2, change the wording in your ad. 3, check your competition and do some research in your area. 4, offer a delivery option for a fee. 5, retake your images and change your staging styling. 6, reprice your piece. It needs to be priced a little higher or lower, so check your area. And 7, repaint and create an entire new look, which of course is exactly what we're doing with this one here.